ready for this. Wow. Check out that bridge. I'm going down there to have a look at that. And if I can get across it, I'm going across it. Epic. Oh, it's locked. Oh, gutted. I wanted to go across. No way. Oh well. Maybe another time. Couldn't get on my bridge. I could have trusted that. Check this out. What an amazing spot this is. We've just got down here. It's about 11 miles drive. It's a dead end, so there's nothing else down here. But you get to this lake and the reflection in the lake. I'm just going to take another exposure because there's a bit of a ripples coming across the water every so often, which is just spoiling the reflection. But we've got this set up. We've got the leading line of the driftwood, as you can see. We're looking down to the mountains. It's reflecting in the water. It's dead still, it's dead calm. It's fantastic. So I'm going to have a walk around here. I'm going to set up 2 or 3 compositions down here and get some of these reflection images. So if I don't talk you through them all, I'll talk you through this one at least. I'm on 20th of a second, or 20 seconds, just to smooth out those final little ripples. I've got the IRND 10 stop in, and I've got a 9 soft grad, just to keep that sky down a little bit. I'm still balancing the shutter speed a little bit just to get the shadow detail and the highlights in as well. I've also got a polarizer on just to take a little bit of reflection away. But no, it's a cracking shot, beautiful lead in. And, yeah, no, it's fine. I'm going to put my drone up in a minute anyway. Yeah. So that was good of him asking about putting the drone up. So good man. Yeah, no, fantastic shot. So I'll catch up with you in a little while. I'm hoping you can see this as well as I can. Out there, wow, what a view. Again, camera. I've taken a few images already. I just love this scenery. The wind's died down again now, so it's getting this beautiful, beautiful mill pond, smooth water. I'm still smoothing it out even more. I've got 13 second exposure, varying between 10 and 20, just so I can expose for the highlights and the shadows, because the sun's so bright. I've got the big stopper, or the IRND 10 now, as they are, and I've got a hard 9 stop grad on the top. Just trying to keep that sky down a little bit. There's not much more I can say about the image. You've got a few rocks going in, leading you into the image, but it's all about that strip in the middle. It's all about that reflection and the snow-capped mountains and the beautiful wispy white clouds. It's fantastic. So speak to you in a bit. my God, guys, I've had to stop and I've had to take a picture of this. Check that out for a view. Look at that. It's so still, it's so quiet, it's so peaceful. At ISO 100, f11, 10th of a second. I've got polarizer on just to eliminate a little bit of the glare. There's a yacht coming in now as well, which would be even better still. And I've put a 2-stop or 6-stop ND grad, soft grad, just to bring the sky down to level it off with the ground. Now the tide's coming in, so I keep losing my compositions. But no, this is absolutely epic. Look at that behind me. Fantastic, absolutely beautiful. Right, I'm going to take a photograph. Actually, let's get a quick look at this before my battery goes dead. If I can just get a bit brighter, just get that yacht in as well. Over in the corner, just going into the dark spot. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Right, that's me done. I'm going to sign out now. I've left my microphone in the van as I run down here, so I'm on the phone, I'm afraid. But yeah, I'm going to sign out now. So thanks for watching. Thanks for sticking for me for today. It's been a bit crazy and a bit mental. I'll take a couple more images here. I've got a lovely lead into those rocks as well, and the sun's just kissing the top of them. So I'm going to set them up quickly, take a couple of images. I'm going to show you what I get here. Please comment and let me know your thoughts. Something I can answer to, something I can relate to. So ciao for now. See you in the morning. Bye 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 bye.